While killer whales have been entertaining people for decades during elaborate water shows, scientists have only recently learned that orcas are capable of mimicking human speech.
Hello.
The 14-year-old orca in France is the first ever to be recorded saying human words. The orca can say hello, bye-bye, count to 3, and say her trainer's name, Amy.
The whale blows air through her nasal passages to produce sounds. Helen Briggs from our partners at the BBC explains.
She may not win any prizes for diction, but this teenage killer whale is certainly impressing scientists. They say she's the first of her kind to be heard copying human speech.
Hello. Hello. 1, 2. 1, 2.
And she can also blow raspberries. Researchers say whales and dolphins are among the few animals other than humans that can learn a new sound just by hearing it.
It tells us that they are flexible vocal learners, and their flexibility is not only in the vocal domain but also in the motor domain. They can also copy body movements, and now we knew this from before, but now we know that they can also copy sounds, and sounds that they are not in their natural repertoire.
Scientists don't know if there are more killer whale copycats out there, but they think the ability to learn sounds could help the animals survive in the oceans. Wild killer whales live in pods, which each have their own distinctive calls. Learning more about how they communicate could help us protect them from threats like noise pollution. Helen Briggs, BBC News.
Killer whales are just one of the most fascinating mammals on the planet. I'd argue even more so than humans, but it is just so interesting that they were able to sort of mimic these tones.
I think she's saying, look, I've learned your language. The least you could do is pick up a little whale here.
I like it. Perhaps she swims back to the pod and they go, so are you going to be released? And she goes, I don't know. They just keep feeding me.
Yeah.
So I don't know. They're trying to communicate with them.